Welcome. I'm Chuck. This is Upchuck Chops. Thanks for joining me. Today we're working on the 1980 CB900. I need to finish putting on the pulse generator and buttoning up all the things that I had to take apart to replace it. Let's get wrenching. Alright, so where I left off last night, I had a rain day today, so that's bad because I don't get paid for today, but that's good because I get to make some videos. I had fished the neutral sensor wire through, so it's where it needs to be, and I need to put a new terminal on this. We'll deal with the new terminal first. I picked these up at O'Reilly's. This is the original. The new one I have, the kit I bought, does not have that exact same crimping mechanism. It should do the same job just as well. So there's the new one and the little crimper. Okay, this boot is wrecked. I don't know how good you can see it, but it's pretty rough. Probably what I will do, I'm considering putting silicone on it. Okay, next step. This goes way back there. Can't see it too good. That's where it is. Now, I can slide this oil pump cover back on, and then we'll almost be back to where I started a couple weeks ago. You like how I did that there? That's to keep me on track. Don't forget about this one hidden. These washers are important. There's an arrow there and an arrow there indicating those bolts have washers. And you can see it on the case too, where it didn't get all the way clean. Note to self, I did tighten the screw on this. Now, I think I could put the starter cover plate on there and then bolt this up, put my timing cover on, and yeah, we'll be cooking. I did not get a new gasket for this. Shame on me, I know. I wasn't hunting for it, and I'm not that worried about it. No, I didn't forget about my new gasket. Once again, I have my diagram. Usually I get them started and I'll just kind of snug them gently in as much of a crisscross pattern across from each other just a little, and then I'll go back around in the crisscross pattern and snug it up. In my experience, it helps draw everything down evenly. Since I drilled out the screws that were in here, I went and bought some new hardware. And if I have to cut them off a little, fine. If I don't, it'll be alright. I'll make it work one way or another. I do have a new gasket for this. A tool I never thought I'd need. One of these little picks. And I use that thing all the time. Short ones worked. At this point, we're a couple electrical connections away from having replaced the pulse generator. I'm pretty happy with that. This one and this one go like so. You can't even see. Okay. I don't know if it's a job well done, but it's a job done. There is some miscellaneous bits that'll need to go back on. I know I need to rebuild the carbs. I'm not putting the air box back in just for fun. I need to get oil in this and then check for spark again. Hey, thanks for coming along the ride with me. Hope you learned something. I know I've learned a little bit. And anyhow, come back and see me soon. Keep wrenching.